Last week, you would have saw us exploring Cinta Costera, downtown Panama City. This week, we checked out of our condo and into the Hilton Panama for a couple nights. Stay tuned to see what Chad had in store for us for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day!
Yeah!
It's Lover's Day! And it's our first Valentine's together!
And the best.
And the best. Just leaving our hotel this morning and Chad's got a little something planned for us. But first we need coffee. He's not even looking at you.
Yeah, it is.
No. Oh yeah, there you go.
Did my good deed for the day. Now fuck everyone else.
Okay, here's my $2 on Valentine's Day. I personally really like it. I love any excuse to go on a date, get a new outfit, and be extra lovey and affectionate. And I understand it's not for everybody, but the people that hate on Valentine's Day, like despise it, I don't get you. I understand that people are like, shouldn't need a certain day to show appreciation to your partner and should just be that like that every day. Okay, well, are you doing it every day? Have you asked your wife or your girlfriend if she feels loved every single day?
Do you feel loved every single day?
Do you feel loved every single day? Oh, are you asking me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, of course. Duh. Literally every day is Valentine's Day when you are engaged to Jeff. And then the other thing, people are like, oh, it's just a corporate holiday and it costs so much money. Honestly, what holiday isn't a corporate holiday? Do you not participate in Christmas ever at all? And yes, it can be definitely expensive, but you don't have to go all out. And restaurants, yeah, they upsell and everything, but you could be like, hey, we're celebrating the day before or the day after or next week. All a woman wants is the effort. So if you go to Dollarama and get a chocolate bar and a card and put I love you on it, that's it. Doesn't have to cost a lot of money.
Get some flowers too.
Yeah, go to the grocery store and get them. Hi, it's the fact that you put in effort and thought that means the most. If you ain't doing it every single day, then why not do it once a year?
What's up, baby?
Look where we are.
Where are we going?
We're taking a hot air balloon ride.
Oh, damn.
I've never been in one. I've always wanted to do this. And I just mentioned it to you in passing the other day.
Yep.
And now look here. Oh, you think it's all to ourselves?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
It'd be cool if it was.
Yeah. Are you excited?
I love heights. I am excited though. It'll be fun.
Oh yeah, this is sweet.
Here it is.
Balloon Panama. Let's do it. Hot air balloon ride? Quick change of plans. Chad had arranged this whole hot air balloon ride, right there for us to go up over the Panama City and the ocean, which would have been awesome, but it's too windy today, the guy said, and it's not safe to go. We can use our tickets up to 6 months, so I think we're gonna come in the early morning when the winds aren't as
Strong.
That's right. So yeah, we're pivoting our plans and we're gonna go hit some balls.
Only plus 32.
32, but feels like 36 with humidity.
Yeah. Love it. Fucking crushed it. That was to the black pin. That's almost 100 yards. 92 yards to the black pin.
Nice.
That's what you're hitting with your fairway wood. Now you're doing that with a 5-iron.
Yeah, that's right. Fuck you, 5 wood. No one needs you anymore. Woo!
And I'll try hard.
Whoa! Yep. Nice. After Topgolf, we headed back to the hotel to freshen up. Inside the Hilton Panama is Emotions Dinner Theater. Here we are getting a sneak peek before the cabaret show begins. We got to meet the owner. He used to work in Vegas on cabaret shows before moving to Panama. We ended up going back a few weeks later to check out the show, and it was amazing. And now we just finished dinner at Casa Catedral, 3-course dinner with a bottle of wine, and it was amazing.
Bomb.
It was so delicious and so beautiful. It's in this old museum. It was very dark and romantic, and they
Our museum.
yes, and they
Cheesecake.
yes, best cheesecake that I've had.
I'm a snob with cheesecake.
It's just so romantic and dramatic in there, and I really loved it. And I had no idea what we were doing at all. Chad planned everything.
Love you too.
And look at this, they took a little Polaroid of us to give to every table. I also love seeing all the couples in love too. Whoops, sorry. And now I think we're gonna go for one more nightcap.
Yeah, or 6.
Yeah, we're in Old Town, Casco Viejo, and it's actually our first time here. We're gonna come back definitely and explore, because...
I gotta cut me out of the picture.
Oh yeah.
I'm here too. Hello. We're in Old Town, but we're feeling young, so let's get it.
Bye.
A few moments later.